Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in your Bybit account. So make sure that you already have the application on your phone. As you can see, I already have the application. Let's hop in. Here you can see the option sign up/login. Tap over there. We can see that there are various options to get logged into your Bybit account. You can log in using your mobile number, you can log in using your Google ID or your Apple ID if you are an Apple user. Here I am going to log in from my email account. Write down your email ID. Now at the password section, write down your password. Now after you are done writing your email and your email password, tap on the option Login Now. You will be successfully logged into your Bybit account. Bybit account may also send you an mail in your mailbox, so make sure to check your mailbox and verify it. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.